staying in Glen Dye for the weekend, and this is our stunning little cottage. This is a little family room, kitchen, diner. Isn't that incredible? Look at the detail. Unbelievable. Got a room here. Gorgeous. Got a little room here. Beautiful. I haven't been up here yet, so I'm gonna take you up the stairs. I love all these little flags and wall hangings everywhere. Nice bathroom. Gorgeous. Nice big room. I mean, look at that. Look at the detail in there. And the last room here, which will be Harry's room. Stunning. Absolutely love it. So this is the smitty, and it's for use by our cabin only. Wait until you see inside here. What a dream. Isn't that stunning? The weather here is mental, but they've got this gorgeous little bar, and it's bring your own. It's the cutest thing I've ever seen. This whole place is absolutely gorgeous. Like, I could live here. And as much as I'm a city girl and love wandering through town and spinning in my dresses, I reckon having chickens and living in a cottage in the middle of the woods is for me. So who knows? Who knows? It's gorgeous though. About to go do some bushcrafts with the kids. This is so cool.
Try and get it over here then. The hat as well, by the way. Well done, Harry.
Deserves a clap, guys. We made tent pegs. We just did bushcrafts with Rory, and it was bushwhacking. Bushcrafts with Rory, and it was super good fun. We got to set fires and use knives and throw axes and make tent pegs.
I like the fire and the tent pegs.
So your tent peg, Harry?
Me too.
It was a great time. When I tell you, the weather is insane. Got everything you need from this little fire starter, kindling, you've got wood, a nice big wood burning stove, so you can sit here and enjoy like a nice cup of tea. This is the Smiddy. So I'm about to light this and then get the kids round so we can play some ping pong and just chill out here for the evening. Some music on. There's some CDs here, which I love the little, oh, they've got the Juno soundtrack. That's excellent. Such a good soundtrack. Love it. This is the general store and it works on a honour system. So you pop your fob in and then come inside. Look at that. And it's got literally everything you could possibly need. This unit is special. Pick up like little key rings, some books. Healing balm, buttons. This is adorable. Like little playing cards. How cute are those? Super cute. And there's water bottles. You can get fresh croissants for the morning and some food. Cups. Like midgie balm, which you need around here. They've got their own honey. Like every single detail is so beautifully thought out. They've got these little chocolates and stuff for the kids. How cute are those? Little slimy creepy crawlies. Have your own raspberry jam. And then crisps and seeds. Gorgeous. This, I love this. Come along here, and it's got its own little dining room. How gorgeous is this? This rain has been relentless. There is zero extra sound added to this video. Listen to this rain. this little area has been the best thing about this weekend with this weather. The rain is still going. It's our last morning. We're all finished. I'm going to say goodbye to this place. It's going to be so hard because it's gorgeous. My husband is currently packing the car, and then we're going to head back home and probably just have a cozy afternoon because look at this rain. I don't know if you can even see it. You can hear it though. It's been absolutely wild, but I think this weather has been the best weather for the entire weekend. So, and I'm in white. Let's see how that goes.